Today we're going to install our book latch kit. These will be available to add to any door you order or buy the kit and install on your door yourself. The kit includes the book, the catch, interior release lever, and all the hardware to install everything that you will need. Measure 30 inches up from the bottom of the door and stick your drill template to the door. Next in your kit, you will find the mounting bracket. Looks like this. Notice it has a shoulder on it. We'll install this with the shoulder facing the front of the door and the flat edges vertical, using the smallest countersunk Phillips head bits that we include. Next, we'll test fit the cross shaft that comes with it from the inside of the door, making sure it slides all the way in, and just do a visual test fit of the book. Just kind of taking a mental note of where that makes contact with the side of the book. Pull it out. Next, we'll be installing the bracket to our decorative book using 2 number 6 wood screws. The book has 2 sides. You have a decorative front with the lid that opens. You have a non-decorative side. We'll be installing our bracket on the non-decorative side. Since we have our right-hand hinged door, we'll be placing the non-decorative side to our left, aligning the bottom angled edge of the bracket with the bottom of the book. This brings the 2 screw holes in line with the decorative border at the bottom of the book, and then we will align the barrel of the pin with the vertical decorative edging of the book. Using the 2 number 6 screws again, secure the bracket to the book. Insert the book, making sure everything still pivots well. Next, you'll install the E-clip in the groove on the cross shaft, using a pair of pliers to snap it into place. Next, we'll install the actual catch, floor catch. You will align this with the door so that the ramp side of the catch is facing the inside of the door. Use the cable to hold it in place while you attach it to the door. Next, you'll take the largest countersunk Phillips screws and you will install the floor catch right up against the existing friction catch, making sure that the bottom of your mounting bracket is flush with the bottom of the door. Next, we'll replace the floor catch plate with the included catch plate. The floor plate goes in the exact same spot using the existing 4 screw holes plus 2 additional screw holes in the back. Next, we'll route the pull cable through the 2 guides included in the kit. We'll mount the top guide against the inner edge of the face frame, 3 to 4 inches down from the hardware. We'll then mount the second guide about 3 to 4 inches up from your floor catch to create a vertical pull from the cable. Attach the lever by sliding it onto the cross shaft and tightening the set screw using a 5/64 Allen wrench. Slide the gripple onto the cable through the small opening, pull it down below the lever, loop the cable around the lever and back down through the opposite opening on the gripple. Pull the gripple tight so that it just starts to lift the floor catch. And secure it into your cable guide. And that is how you install our book latch kit. If you have any questions, you can call our customer service.